cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. This is my last resort.
So just walked into the hobby shop. Made a deal with the guy the other day. Basically said he was telling me how much the prices were, these little people. I said to him, well, I had tenner, so how much would you give me for a tenner? But to spend like £5 on 10 people and 3 trees, and that came up to a fiver for just those two. So I would have only got a couple of more people basically. But I've said to the guy, can you make me a better deal basically? And basically he's giving me like 100 of them for a tenner. No, for not a tenner, for £7 something. So it's pretty good deal actually. So I've got 2 things. Got here. Got a little tree, which I love, and 70 odd people with me. Yeah, 70 odd people. It's gonna look pretty cool though. Just hovering over us.
How many women does it take to do a barbecue?
Huh?
How many women does it take to do a barbecue?
How many?
2.
1, 2.
Ain't no woman.
Well, mate.
Look, don't you think I thought steak was
It's not Jodie's birthday today, we just have barbecues occasionally.
Yeah.
I'm just zooming into your mouth right now.
That one.
Back at this place with everybody. I didn't do an intro this morning, I'm sorry. But yes, this is what I'm doing. Olivia's doing her homework. She's doing her homework for college, which is not her home. I'm sitting looking at stuff on my computer. Fun shit. Proper windy. So today I took my Switch to college. I down there. You gotta say, just pretty cool in handheld. Also, I haven't really recorded that much today because I haven't done that much really. Just been working on just some bits. That's about it. But yeah, hopefully more later on today.
Excel range 19.6, 19.8, 19.8. Offsets 0, 0.01, 0.03 minus 0.21. Scaling 0, 1.00, 0.99, 0.99. Calibrations.
Sorry I haven't recorded much today. I literally got the worstest blocked nose and tickly cough ever. I got a camo fidget spinner and a black and red fidget box. Oh, this is weird. That's fucking sick. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Look at it. Shit, I dropped it. I could say, so you got the clicks, toggle, clicks down as well, that's really satisfying. Switch, Got the roll, collects, breathing.
Madeline. Kim. Come on. Jimmy.
Walking college. Got my fidget box. Might do a little review on them. On both of them, not just one. But yeah. Obviously college today. Going in early because got to do a remix. No, not a remix. I got to put the live gig music to the video. So we're going to be doing that. You know what? It's not even raining, it's fucking hailing. It's snowing? It's like rain, snow and hail. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's thundering as well. Just walking from college. Just pressing it down. Going Jody's for tea.
There's a bit of slide in this one.
You pulled my hair! So, yeah, this is what I got today. Been waiting for one for ages. It's pretty cool. But, the one thing I've been playing with all day, like I literally haven't been able to put down, is this. It's been helping me in school, college. It's really fun. Love that bit there. It's nice. But the one I've been mostly playing with is that one.